the chairman of the board, Mr. Takanori Todate, our Japanese sponsor delegates, to our local coordinator, Mr. Johnny Walongaita, to our OIC principal, Ma'am Leonor Wahing, guests, parents, and child beneficiaries, good morning. Here I am standing in front of you today, not as a beneficiary anymore, but a proud child graduate. On June 4, 2024, I finally wore my toga and received my diploma of Bachelor of Science in Nursing. We may see wonderful pictures posted online and full of congratulations wishes. But I hope you also have to acknowledge the things each graduate went through just to finish what they have started. My child family is with me since I was in elementary. They saw how I grew up and performed my roles and responsibilities in life. I was not born with a silver spoon. I am not privileged enough to get things I want, such as enrolling to university. As a daughter in my own family, I learned how to stood up against those challenges. Initially, my parents really can't afford nursing course. With its complexities, I almost had to give up my dream, until a relative of mine offered to help. That's why I'm forever grateful to the people who helped me, and one of that is my child family. I can definitely say that I am in the right track. The morals being taught in child and the philosophies I gained in nursing weren't parallel. The fact that my future work teaches how to care and live for the sake of others really enhanced the things that child imparted to me from the very start. In nursing, we are trained to be selfless. We do a lot of voluntary works. We care for others. We stay with them. We provide them what they need. We carry out doctor's order to help them. We promote health as well as the holistic well-being of patients. And yes, NCHL possess all of that. To name a few, during pandemic, together with my co-beneficiaries of Ambago, we were able to do that. NCHL has this idea, and we, the beneficiaries, are the doers. We managed to push through the Pasko Handog activity and the Christmas charity project. Aside from that, NCHL kept having online activities and constantly asked us how we are doing, which made me happy that even if the world turned into chaos, they are still consistent with the words that came out from their mouth, love beyond borders. NCHL has awakened a deep sense of purpose in me. They fueled up my passion to serve people. I received and heard greetings of congratulations and I'm proud of you after my graduation ceremony. But this time, it's appropriate and my turn to tell congratulations and I'm proud of you, NCHL, for having or successfully producing NCHL graduates. Indeed, it calls for a celebration and a happy 20th anniversary to all of us. Thank you and mabuhay.
何よりもこの20周年という記念の場にこの場に皆さんにメッセージをいただいたことを感謝を申し上げます。